Hi everyone, today's video is going to be a video I haven't done in a really long time, but I get to do it again, and it is going to be a Birchbox unboxing. Now, if you have been a subscriber of mine for a really long time, then you'll know I used to actually have Birchbox. However, I got rid of it maybe almost a year ago now, quite a while ago. And I wasn't going to get it again. And then for Christmas, my little brother got me a 3-month subscription. So I'm getting to try it again and see how I feel about it. And obviously, I can choose to buy it again or just not again. But this is the box. I love these Birchboxes, and it's actually kind of funny. In my family, we use this a lot as like when you're at presents and people are like, "Oh, girl, got a Birchbox." We get excited about funny things in my family, okay? We just do. But here's the box. It's a little strange. I'm not sure if this is like some abstract art. I'm not really sure about this, but there it is. Here are the products. Obviously, I do have the products. And the, what do you call it? The theme is Find Your Happy. After a whirlwind holiday season, carve out some me time with this box of beauty treats. Here's to finding your happy place within the new year, no matter where it takes you. So maybe that's trying to show you like a path throughout the year. I don't really know. But here's this guy. And on the back it actually tells you the items that you get, which is really nice. I really like the way Birchbox does this. So let's just do it in that order. So first and foremost, we have the Arrow Energizing Skin Tint. This is a 5 ml sample, so it's kind of small, but it is just a skin tint. It is valued at $3.74. And what Birchbox says about it is, this is a sheer tinted serum. This sheer tinted serum works to even out skin tone for a more radiant finish. This lightweight formula has caffeine and ginseng to plump skin, plus green tea to calm. So I actually use this as my base product today because I wouldn't want to use this as like an actual serum. So I use this as my foundation. I didn't put any primer on just to see how it did. It's a very, very, very natural finish. I would say its sheer coverage is correct. I did kind of layer it up. It didn't get cakey or gross. I do have on concealer as well, but it didn't do that much. So, I mean, technically you could use it as a primer, but I don't know. I would use it as a base product, and it didn't do the best. And again, like I think I said this, but this is worth $3.74. Next, we actually have a serum. This is by the brand Balance Me, and it's the Congested Skin Serum. This is a 7 ml sample, so almost half an ounce. And this says, this calming serum banishes blemishes, refines pores, and balances skin without drying it out. Plus, it smells amazing. Now, I haven't used this guy yet. So, ew, it smells like patchouli. I don't like it. I don't like that scent at all. But it's just like kind of a cream gel. Ugh. That was contradictory. It's kind of like a gel serum, so we'll see. It blended into my skin really nicely. Let me show y'all. Here's the skin tint from Arrow. I didn't do a swatch. I'm sorry. I'm out of practice of doing these kind of videos. And, you know, half a ml of serum will go quite a long way. So you can see, I mean, this shade is good. I mean, I guess it does perfect a little bit. Yeah, it perfects some, so it's nice. The shade works for me. It says it's a universal tint, so we all know that's not a real thing. So, anyway, next, we have something from Doucce Cosmetics. Oh, and this serum is worth $10.73. And like I said, it is almost half an ounce. Oh, no, sorry, a quarter of an ounce, so it'll probably last quite a while. Something from Doucce Cosmetics is this shadow. This is 1.49 or 1.4 grams, and a full size is 1.5, so I mean it's pretty much a full size. I don't like it when they give you these single little pans, because I do have a Z palette. Well, I have a ColourPop palette, but I don't like that. Like, I would rather just give me the packaging and stuff so I can remember the name. This is called Veronica, number 54, because you see there's nothing on the back. So if I put this in a palette, I'm never going to know what it is. And here it is. This shadow is valued at $10, and what it says is, wear this shade solo or with exclusive Doucce and Birchbox Freematic Eyeshadow Quad. I do have it on my lid, like on my lid, not this red. It's like a coppery shade with a bunch of glitter in it. Like a bunch of silver glitter. And trust me when I tell you that silver glitter has crazy amounts of fallout. It's kind of got some rose in it. It's a unique shade. It's just the fallout is crazy. And I did have to really build this up. And maybe it's just me, but I feel like it's already fading a little bit on my eyes. Which is not what I want. So, this is okay. But, I don't know. But getting a full-size eyeshadow is really nice. I mean, I love eyeshadow. It's my favorite makeup item. So, that's my third item. For the fourth item, I have the R&Co Valley Dry Shampoo. And this is a travel size, and they actually do sell this size. And this size, which is 75 mils, sells for $17. So, that's kind of a lot. And this says it's packed with rice protein from Brazil. This style refreshing spray absorbs excess oil, gives hair volume, and adds a tousled texture. Spreads 10 to 12 inches from your scalp. I don't really use dry shampoo unless I'm like going out and I want some volume. I'm about to go to school, so let's just see what happens. I don't see a lot of gray. That does give you some volume though. It smells nice. So yeah, I definitely say that gives you some volume. Let's do it over here. Again, I don't see any gray. Yeah, I like it. Bigger hair, the closer to God. And goodness gracious, is my hair big now. So this is nice. And last but not least, I got the Verb Hydrating Mask. This says, this lightweight treatment, ideal for all hair types, softens, conditions, and amps up shine without weighing your hair down. After washing, leave on for 5 to 7 minutes, then rinse. And I did do that this morning, and it's nice. I mean, I didn't really notice anything super great and different. I know this brand has like the ghost oil that's really popular, and they do sell this brand at Sephora, but is it just me, or does this look like a hotel sample, right? It really does, at least to me. It is 1 ounce, or no, sorry, it's 2/3 of an ounce, 0.67 ounces. It's valued at $1.60, so, you know, it's not the best value, but it's fine, and I will get quite a few uses out of it, and I would like to try it again. I didn't notice anything great this time, but it's also not bad. So, those are my 5 items, and overall, that box is valued at $43.07, and like I said, Birchbox is $10. So, Birchbox is really good about giving you a variety of items. Definitely a nice value for your products, no doubt about it. I'm excited about this dry shampoo. This skin tint is small, but I feel like I could use it, like especially if I'm having a good skin day, which I haven't been lately. This hair mask I'll definitely get use out of. Like I said, it's not the best, but I'll use it. This Balance Me Congested Skin Serum, I'll definitely try this out, see what it does. And this eyeshadow I'll use, it's just not the best. So, as I say always with these unboxing videos, yeah, I'm not like overjoyed with all the products, but I've never tried any of these items. So to me, the point of subscription boxes isn't necessarily to find things that you absolutely love. It's to get to try new things. And I got to try 5 new things that I've never tried, and I do enjoy some of them. And my hair is so big, and I'm really enjoying that. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, please leave any questions, requests, suggestions, comments down below. If you thought you liked Birchbox, I do have a link. Everyone gets a link. And if you go ahead and click it down below, you can sign up for that with that link. And pretty much it's just, I think I get like $5 for the Birchbox shop. So feel free to do that. Obviously, if you don't want to, you don't have to. It's fine. But that is my Birchbox. Thank you, little brother. And I'll see you all real soon. Bye.